No. Ow.
Today I wake up, we gotta bring Darcy to the hospital.
Why?
She
I
got.
think I might have broken my wrist.
Oh, she.
That's the first head right in my head. Good thing it's not pointing the other way. Joshua, stop putting my asshole. Ow.
You stepped on Amber's head.
Dude, we're on the second floor. And I just fell.
Sorry, Amber. Joshua, you can't pay back.
Yeah, you kind of threw me off too, and I just fell off the bed. Where you going, babe?
You alright? What's it? Amber. Amber.
What did you just throw me? Josh.
I wonder if I Hey, I wonder if I can catch a little raccoon bird on video. Let me see. Let me see, babe. I know. That bitch is coming after me. Hey. You're the one who told me. Well, you're the one who told me to go take down another man and take the picture.
Take a picture.
I'm recording.
Oh shit, she's recording me. I'm recording. She's like holding the camera at me. I'm like, just take the damn picture. She's like, I'm recording.
You want to close this door all the way?
Bullshit. Is that the end of the one?
I don't freaking trust you. What?
Come here, I'm gonna show you this cool light they got in there.
Seriously, come look. I'll show you. To make it seem like Josh isn't just
Dre.
I said drab.
Come see, damn it.
What's not this one?
Gas is already up. Why'd you lay back down? Look at the cool ass light thing. It's got like a timer. Oh, watch this.
Wait, babe.
Oh, light.
Hey, let me look at the cool light.
Oh, light. See? Got a timer on it like this.
Woohoo.
Oh.
Hey, come here.
It's bright.
And? Hey.
Hey. Can't open my damn eyes.
Better? Huh? Goof off.
Oh. Good, you two can go. Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh shit, this bed is hard. What are you doing?
Baby. Jacking off over there.
Ew.